एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू राधिका डूडल्स। सो आज का वीडियो थोड़ा डिफरेंट होने वाला है एंड थोड़ा स्पेशल भी, अनलाइक माय ऑल अदर वीडियोस बिकॉज ये जो वीडियो है दिस इज़ ऑन दिवाली डेकोर। एंड मुझे काफ़ी टाइम लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि आई रियली डू अप माई प्लेस वेरी नाइसली एंड दे लाइक हाउ आई डेकोरेट माई प्लेस। सो आई थॉट कि दिवाली आ रही है सो वाई नॉट। मैं भी आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट बट या वट एवर आई एम डूइंग, और मैंने जिस भी तरीके से अपना घर सजाया है आई रियली वॉन्ट कि मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करूँ। एंड जस्ट टू गिव यू अ क्विक बैकग्राउंड, सो आई एम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद and we stay in a rented apartment. It's a 3 BHK flat, and this video is completely dedicated to the dining and hall decor video for Diwali. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, this is the entrance of our flat. As you can see, I'll also give you a closer view. And so these are the two shoe racks that we have. Of course, this smaller one is for my husband, and the bigger one is for me because काफ़ी shoes है. So yeah, and this is the new toran that I got especially for Diwali, and you can also see a cute nameplate out here. Let me know how you guys like it. So अंदर चलते हैं. So yeah, so this is first we'll start with a hall. So when you enter, I got this small little vase with flowers. Over it we have this cute frames. I got this from Myntra, and ये बस कुछ छोटे छोटे पॉट्स है, थोड़े डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स है जो कि आपको ईजिली अमेज़न में मिंत्रा पे मिल जाएंगे, इवन मीशो फॉर दैट मैटर. बट अभी तक मैंने वो वेबसाइट उतना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है, सो आई कैन नॉट रिकमेंड. These we have two big lampshades, so one out there, and these we got from IKEA, and I think they really stand out. When you switch on, maybe you'll have a better idea. So when you switch on these in the evening, they really lights up the space. And we have this L-shaped, very comfortable lounge sofa, and I have just decorated with these 3 cushions which are having just giving you the perfect festive feel. I'll give you a closer look of the cushions. Just beside the sofa, of course, we got a swing. We got this during our first phase of lockdown because I was getting really bored sitting in on the same bed and on the same sofa. So we got this new swing, and yeah, I also decorated with just a contrast color cushion. Okay, moving ahead. This we got a cute center table. This is also from IKEA, and over that I got this beautiful looking vase, and I complemented it with small flowers, yellow and red color. And this is nothing but another piece of toran that I had with me, marigold flowers basically. So मैंने उसको ऐसे घुमा घुमा के रख दिया है, so that it just creates that festive touch. Over that wall frame is from Amazon. Over that we have this wall lamp. This is also from Amazon. So at my place you'll see most of the items from IKEA or Amazon, sometimes Myntra as well. Moving ahead, we have this 2 cute ottomans. This also I got from Amazon. I think they really complement my space here. Moving ahead, we have this huge TV unit, but yes, यहाँ आपको TV नहीं दिख रहा है. That's only because, as you can understand, it's lockdown. So No lockdown, but still you work mostly from home and you're at home only. So हमने जो अपना टीवी है वो अपने बेडरूम में शिफ्ट कर दिया है, सो दैट हम और भी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हो गए अपने स्पेस में. ऑल्दो इट्स नॉट अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू डू, बट अब यार हो गया. सो ये टीवी यूनिट क्योंकि ब्लैंक पड़ा था तो मैंने सोचा इसको भी थोड़ा सा डेकोर करते हैं. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक थ्रो डाला है, यही थ्रो जो मैंने यहाँ पे भी डाला है अपने सोफ़ा में, बट मैंने बिलो नहीं डाला, मुझे लगा ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. सो मैंने एक थ्रो यहाँ पे डाल दिया एंड उसको जस्ट टू ब्रेक द मोनोटनी मैंने एक फ्लावर वास रखा है एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक तोरण से मैंने डेकोरेट किया है इसको. एंड over here we have this beautiful silver color vase. This is also from Amazon. We have this candles from IKEA, and this candle is also from IKEA. So those are the electric candles. These are the normal candles. This is another vase that I have. This I got from the local market, just beside my society, and I just wanted to add some colors, so I put these flower sticks. This also I got from Amazon, so I got the same one here as well, and you can see the same setup here as well, the vase, the candles. So I really like a pair of two everywhere. Moving ahead, we have this very 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 elegant and just enhances my space, the painting. This is done by my closest friend Ananya. She is a brilliant artist. You can also have a look at her channel named Lavanya by Ananya. So yeah, this is done by her. Over that, we again have a lampshade, just like we had it here. So I'll give you a bigger look. Moving ahead to the other half of the house, other half of the hall, sorry. So this is a circular rug which I got from Amazon again, and I tried to decorate it with a beautiful cushion, and beside it I have a small table. This also I got from IKEA or Amazon, I'm not sure, I'll try to link it. And these are the two beautiful lanterns with tea light candles. I'll also light up in the evening. So yeah, this I tried to create. You can even have it's a very cozy sitting space, and also I just added this toran just to create that festive vibe. Above it we have this. So this is basically a key holder stand. So I thought कि इसको भी थोड़ा सा रिक्रिएट करते, तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक फ्लावर ऐड कर दिया एंड मैंने यहाँ से सारी कीज़ हटा दिए. This is the master bedroom, which I'm not going to show you. This is the fridge that we have, and this is a beautiful rug again from Amazon. It's a 3x5 rug, and I think it is just looking beautiful with my space. This is a small table with a candle. This is again gifted to me by my friend Sana. And these are the vase with flowers from IKEA, and this is us. So this is an artificial plant which I got from a close by market. It looks really beautiful and enhances the space out there, because this is a washroom area, this is another bedroom, and here is another bedroom. But I thought I'll put something so that it doesn't look completely vacant. There's a sink, there's a small bonsai plant, this is me, and this is a mounted soap dispenser. And we have this mirror also from Amazon, and we have a artificial planter here, and this is an interesting piece. I hope you can see, greetings from Uganda. So this has been gifted to me by my father when I visited him for the first time. So yeah, and moving ahead, this is the dining area. Before we come to the dining area, let's go here. So this is a small snack corner that we created. This is again an artificial plant from Amazon. This is a cute looking, it looks like a vanity bag, but it's for the spoons and all. This is small pickle containers, salt containers, water bottles, just to decorate the space. I had this artificial plant. And this is a lamp which is from Pepper Fry, and this is nothing but it's from our Christmas decoration. So I thought इसको wrap कर देते, और मेरे को मस्त लगा. This is again an artificial plant. This we got from the local market. I wanted something to put on this place so that it doesn't look vacant. At the same time, it should create a spark. So I thought this goes the best. And this is nothing, just a wall hanging. All you need is love and Wi-Fi. So true. This is again frame set which I got from Myntra, and these are cute little babies which has been gifted to me by my friend Anmol on my birthday. This is again a small planter. This is a candle which is also gifted. Moving on, these are the beautiful curtains which I got from Myntra for a change, and I have decorated this piece with the beautiful torans at both the ends and a small decorative piece. Then we have another planter. This is also an artificial plant, and I just thought थोड़ा तोरण ऐड करके कुछ festive mood बनाते हैं. This is a small dream catcher, a beautiful one, and it lights also, so we'll do it in the evening. Moving on, this is no points for guessing. This is a bar counter, and बस उसको सजाने के लिए हमने कुछ भी नहीं रखा है. एक छोटी सी मैं दिख रही हूँ वहाँ पे, and that is also gifted by my friend Ananya on my birthday. Now coming to my most favorite part, the dining table. Yes, so this is a beautiful throw. This is again from Amazon, जो मैंने मस्त एकदम मैच करके अपने curtains, अपने rug सबके साथ मैच करके लिया हुआ है. So I think perfect. And these are again glass bowls. This I have purchased from IKEA. And अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि खाली क्यों है, बिकॉज मैं इसमें पानी डाल के इसमें कुछ रोज़ पेटल्स या कुछ कैंडल्स से इसको डेकोरेट करूँगी. दैट्स इन माई माइंड. आई डू इट इन द इवनिंग. एंड दिस इज़ अगेन वन तोरण जिसको मैंने अच्छे से एस शेप में डाला है, सो दैट थोड़ा सा फेस्टिव लगे. एंड वी हैव दिस the most favorite thing, Ferrero Rocher. So yeah, this is it. So I'll give you the final look of the space. It looks something like this. Let me know how you guys like it, and I'll take you again to the dining part, the hall part, sorry. So once again, hi everyone, and I hope you like this video. You like how I decorated my cute little space. And guys, not to forget, इस फ्लैट का नाइट व्यू और भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है because of the candles and the lamps I have put on. So बने रहिए वीडियो में और देखिए कैसा लग रहा है रात को बालकनी. आपको अच्छा लगा प्लीज़ बहुत बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए इस वीडियो को, जैसे कि आपने मेरी सारी वीडियोस को दिया है। बट अगर आपको ये टाइप का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है, मैं डेफिनेटली इसमें और भी ज़्यादा इंडल्ज होने की कोशिश करूँगी और कुछ और कंटेंट डालने की कोशिश करूँगी। टिल देन, हैप्पी दिवाली एवरीवन, बी सेफ, enjoy your Diwali, and we'll keep in touch. आगे देखते रहिए, बाय।